everybody, it's me again, and I am about to be doing something a little bit different again. I like to kind of switch up my channel and just do something because everything is not about hair, right? So yeah, when you come to my channel, you will see a variety of different things that are of interest to me. I remember when I was younger, it used to feel like the years would go by like so slow, but now that I'm older, yeah, it seems like it goes by really fast. So I just misted my face with a mist, and then I'm just going to use a face oil to just a couple of drops so that I can start. So this is just like how I do it, like a few strokes. And by no means, y'all, am I a professional or traditional Chinese medicine doctor who they use this particular method in their modality on a regular basis. And so they are trained, and that's why if you're going to practice Gua Sha, I highly recommend that you follow Lanqing Pro. And because she's a traditional Chinese medicine doctor, and so she's not going to give you any wrong direction of how to properly do this. There are a lot of people on YouTube who do this, and then they're doing it like, I see them making like mistakes that would be improper. So I'm going to start here, working on the face now, the lower chin area. You can do this in the morning, at nighttime, whenever you want. You guys, it's like so hot today. I think it's gonna be like in the 90s. I'm just doing like a zigzag motion going down the nostril. Working the under eyes now. Most of my moves I have learned from watching Lanqing Pro. That is the or maybe I'm saying it wrong. The Lansing Pro is actually her tool, which is what I'm using right now. It's a Lansing treatment. I'll put a description or a link to her website or her YouTube channel. But when I first started out with her intro tool, I was doing Gua Sha alongside while watching her video. And then her name's Sandra, and she's also on Instagram as well. But she's so good. So now we just take some time to kind of like look at the face and see. So this side of my face is more lift. So what we're gonna try to do now is just even it out. So yeah, so we're gonna work the other side. Do any of you guys exercise or massage your face? Post below and tell me like what you think. How much time do you spend with self-care on your skincare routine or other treatments that you do to age gracefully? We're all gonna get old, right? But just like we do our hair and we want to show up a certain way in the world, we want to age sometimes a certain way. And that's me. You know, I thank God for that I'm able to be a mature woman, 52 years of age. But yeah, I like to take care of my skin the best that I can. Although fighting acne in your 50s is like not the business. Oh my God. Probably has a lot to do with hormones and stuff. And then my skin tends to be like super sensitive. So yeah, so this is my face, y'all. What you guys think? Does it look even? Let me stand back so I can see my mirror better. Yeah. So I think it looks even. So yeah. So this is how I perform Gua Sha. And yeah, I do this, like, incorporate it with all of the other stuff that I do. I don't do it every single day because I do other things to my face, whether I'm just using my fingers to massage my face, or I am doing anchoring motions and isolating certain muscles in my face to lift and tone. So I do a variety of different things. So yeah, I'll have to come back and show y'all what I be doing for my face. But anyway, yeah, you guys. All right, I hope that you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace through fingers.